Hello, world. Appreciate that. So, what is your indicative alternative today, people? What are we doing today? Are we getting grounded today? Hmm? Are we allowing nature to heal our souls? Right? Are we enjoying the spheres of nature? Are we? No. I think you guys should. Just for today. Go out, get barefooted, walk on the grass. I also heard, and this is scientifically proven, it helps with sorry guys. It helps with your nervous system, right? I also heard it calms down anxiety and hyperventilation. So do yourself a favor today. Go get grounded. And love that. Love that aspect. Okay? Love it. Oh yeah, new content on the way. Just been really reflecting. So, see you guys soon. We're doing a lot of inner work, shadow work. Understand that this is a process, people. You can't skip parts. You can't skip parts. You have to do the shadow work. That's the only way you will evolve in that process of knowing thyself.